To pair your Soundcore Space One with Android smartphone, first you will need to find the power button on your right ear cup. It's located right here. Click and hold it for around 3 seconds until your headset powers on, and it will automatically enter a pairing mode when this blue LED lamp is flashing. Now we can move back to our smartphone. You can download Soundcore app if you want to customize the settings for that headset. It's optional, and now we can move to the Bluetooth settings of our device. Usually all you have to do is swipe down and find the Bluetooth button, hold it, and then you'll be able to pair your new device. Wait till Soundcore Space One is available and click on it like that. Then confirm the pairing. And now your Soundcore Space One is paired with your smartphone. You can go to the app and also add the device right there. And as you can see, it's now connected to the app as well.